Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not being able to chat. First, let's confirm your account's age. Roblox has strict chat filters and permissions based on whether you are under or over 13 years old. If your account is set to under 13, your chat options will be significantly limited, often to only safe chat or no chat at all. To have full chat capabilities, your account must be registered as 13 years or older. This is a fundamental step to ensure you can communicate freely within the game. Next, we'll dive into your Roblox privacy settings, which are crucial for enabling chat. Access your account settings by clicking the gear icon, then select Privacy. Look for the section titled Who Can Chat With Me? Here, you'll find options like Everyone, Friends, or No One. To enable chat, you must select either Everyone or Friends. Make sure to save these changes before exiting the settings menu. Incorrect privacy settings are a very common reason for chat not working. If the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, let's consider device-specific factors. First, check your device's operating system for any parental controls or communication restrictions that might be overriding Roblox settings. Also, a stable internet connection is vital for all online features, including chat. As a last resort, completely uninstalling and then reinstalling the Roblox application can often fix corrupted files or persistent glitches. After reinstallation, clearing your device's cache for Roblox might also help. To summarize, the most effective way to fix Roblox chat issues begins with confirming your account is 13 years or older and adjusting your privacy settings to allow chat with everyone or friends. If those don't work, investigate device restrictions and consider a full reinstallation of the game. These steps cover nearly all common causes for chat problems. If you followed all these instructions and still can't chat, reaching out to Roblox support directly would be your next best course of action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.